Hey, it's David from Vacation Tracker here, and in this quick tutorial, we're going to show you how you can create custom holidays for the different locations inside of your account. While you can always automatically import holidays based on country or region, sometimes the need arises to create completely custom ones, whether it's to celebrate a specific holiday that is unique to your company, or even perhaps extending your existing ones and giving your employees more time off. Either way, the steps are going to be the same, so why don't we start by diving in right away and making sure that you're logged into your own Vacation Tracker account. Then you're going to head on over to the left-hand menu and ensure that the Leave Setup menu is open further, and then you're going to click on the Location section because it is here where we can manage the holidays for each location. Next, you're going to select the location in which you'd like to make changes, and then you're going to head on over to the Holidays tab. From here, you're going to click on the Add a Holiday button to get started with creating a custom holiday. You're going to first give it a name so that you can easily recognize it amongst the other holidays at this location, and then you're going to choose the date and recurrence settings. By default, this is checked off to no, but if you do want it to be a recurring holiday as in it happens every year, then just make sure to hit yes. Then you're going to select the holiday type, whether it's just a single day, a multi-day, or even a half day. Afterwards, you're going to decide on the recurrence type if you chose to have this as a recurring holiday. Do you want it to be every year on the exact day, or is it every year on specific days, such as the third Tuesday of every March? Once you make that selection, you're going to have to pick the date in which the holiday occurs by choosing both the month and the date. Lastly, if you chose this specific recurrence type, you can choose to have this transfer over to the working day if it happens to fall on weekends. All you need to do is hit yes. And then before you click on save, you'll notice that there's a summary that details everything you've selected so far. If you're happy with everything that is present, you can click on save, and now this custom holiday has been added to the specific location. And you'll notice it amongst the other ones pretty easily because it has the tag custom next to it. And all you need to do from here on out, if you want to have more custom holidays, is to repeat these same steps. Thanks for checking out this tutorial. If you want to learn more about holidays, whether it's creating custom ones or even importing them automatically, then do be sure to check out our Help Desk Center, which has tons of articles covering the subject in much more depth. And if you run into any issues whatsoever when creating your own holidays, then don't be shy about reaching out to our support team, either via chat or email.